Hello students, now we will move towards the next part, that is second function of this management is organization. After the planning, the next function of the management is organization. Organization involves the division of the works among the peoples whose efforts must be coordinated to achieve the specific objective and implement the predetermined strategies. So how we can distribute the work and how we can move towards the desired the objective, that is nothing but the organization. It is the backbone of the management. Means planning is very good, but organizing is not good. Then we cannot get the desired the aims or objectives. So this organizing is very much important for us. Up, After the objectives of an enterprise are determined, the plan is prepared. And next step in this management process is to organize the activities of the enterprise. It is very much important step of the management. Now, according to Lewis Allen, the organizing is the process of identifying, grouping the work to be performed, defining and delegating the responsibilities and authorities, and establishing the relationships for the purpose of enabling peoples to work most effectively together in accomplishing objective. So how we can dividing the works, how we are grouping the peoples, how we are taking using this particular human resource and other resources, how we can delivering the responsibilities, authorities to the human beings to get the desired objectives. This is nothing but the organization. Then, according to Hyman, the organizing is the process of defining and growing the activities of the enterprise and establishing the authorities' relationship among them. So, this is the definition of the organizing according to these two different authors. Then, what is the importance of the organizing? So, we can say that it is facilitate the efficient management. So what exactly we are doing? Organizing is necessary for the performance of the other functions of the management. Poor organization may result in a duplication of the works and efforts. So organizing is very important, and this importance is what facilitates the efficient management. Then it is facilitates coordination and communications. So we are dividing this different section according to the planning of this home giving, and we are also giving the responsibilities and authorities. So there is a proper coordinations between the these human beings or the employees, and they can we have these are also doing the proper communications with each other. So these are the things we can achieve by using the organization. It facilitates the growth and diversifications. Sound organizations help in a growth and expansions of the enterprise by facilitating its efficient management. And it also increase the capacity of the enterprise to undertake more activities. So this organizing is very much important. Though our planning is proper, but how we are giving the responsibilities and authorities and how we are dividing this particular, how we are giving the instruction and what is the plan, how we can communicating this plan. All these things will be give the growth and diversification. Next importance is it ensure the optimum use of the resources. So if the organizing is very proper, then we can properly optimize the human resources as along with that other resources also. Means organizing leads to optimum use of all the material, financial and human resources. So this organization having this one of the another importance. It provides for optimum use of the technological innovation. Sound organization structure is not rigid, it is flexible and provides the adequate scope for the adoption of the new technologies. Means we are giving the responsibilities authorities to the these different steps, so they can use this new technologies to achieve this particular objective. It facilitates the specializations. It also facilitates the specialization. Organizing provides this great scopes for bringing the specialization in every department of an enterprises to proper allocation of the job among the employees. Means we are dividing the human resources in different parts and in specific things which is According to their skills and the capacity, we can give the specific work to that particular uh, department. So they can be a specialization in that, and this we can utilize this organization should be that we can have this is my process or as a structure. So these are the importance of the organizing. Now we will move towards the next part, that is organizing as a process, and what are the different steps which is involved in organizing, that we will decide. Determination of objectives. So what the like previous things, the purpose of the organization must be under identified. Objective determines the resources and various activities which should be done to achieve the organizational goal. Based on this, whatever the planning which we are having, what is the objective of the planning, we have to decide the objective of the organizing and what is to be done and what is the ways which we are have to follow. Identify and grouping of the activities. To execute this particular plan, organizing this particular plan, what are the different activities to be followed, that we have to group, and according to that we have to divide our human resource also. If the group members are are to pull their efforts successfully, there must be a proper division of the major activities. Each job should be accurately classified and grouped. Grouping is very much important. This will avoid the duplication of the work also. So this grouping we will do, and how first we will identify, then we will group. Assignment of duties. After the grouping the activities into various jobs as per their nature of the work, similar activities should be placed under the one department. So department wise we can assign this activity. Each individual should be given a particular task according to the ability and skill. Based on the ability and skills, we have to give this assignment to the each of the person. Then next step is establishing the relationship among the individuals and a group. So this activity is also very important. The activities which are performed by a person holding different positions must be related. Every person in organization should know about his responsibilities and authorities and accountabilities, so that there is a coordination between the among the individual and in the group also. And every person must know their work properly. What is the objective of that particular work, that must be known, and the activity which is assigned must be according to their ability and skills which we are having. So there must be relationship between the among the individual as well as the among the groups, so that we can have the proper organization. Now we will move towards the next part, that is organization structure. An organization structure shows the authorities, responsibilities, and relationship between the various positions in the organization by showing who reports whom. Means what exactly the structure of this organization which we are having. It is laid down the pattern of the communication according to the enterprise. Means what are these different positions are there, and who have to give the instruction to the whom, and what how the hierarchy is also given. It facilitates the growth of the enterprise by increasing the capacity to handle the diversified situation. This will be possible by using this organization structure. Organization structures is usually shown on a or organization chart. Means in every enterprises is having these organization charts. There are basically two types of the organization chart: functional structure and divisional structure. So we will discuss about this, what exactly this functional structure and what is exactly this divisional structure. So in a functional structure, we can see that there will be on the top of this side, the one is a CEO. CEO will be Chief Executive Officer will be there, and there are the different departments will be there, well, depending upon the function. Means one from the finance, marketing, human resource, or operation. And based on this finance, again based on their different functions under the finance which we are having, collection and the reservables, purchasing and accounting, this will be there. Then we are in marketing, we have the business development, sales and product. In human resources, we are having hiring, payrolls, and training. In operation, we are having production, logistic, and research and development. Means based on the function which we are performing, we will divide these things, and we are having this different department. So this is called as a functional structure. It's based on the functions we are dividing the human resources, or we are making the different uh, department. So in this functional structure, uh, is formed by grouping together all the activities into the functional department and putting each department under the one head. Means functions, different function which is performed is the base of this department formation. Functional section leads to the specialization, means finance peoples, then production peoples, then marketing peoples. Like that, this specialization things will be there. It promotes efficiency and result in increase will be increase in the profit. So this is the things which we are specialization things which we can do. Now we can, if I take the example of this particular steel manufacturing company has divided in a structure into manufacturing, finance, marketing, personnel, and research and development. As it has a diversified activities and it is operation required a high degree of specialization. So these are the one of the example of the financial structure. Now we will go towards the next structure, that what we are having here again, like that. In one enterprises which we are having the different divisions. Means one division is a jewelry division, another division will be the electronics division, and third one is a home good division. Means one enterprises in one organization which we are having the three divisions, and in this three division again we are having this purchase, marketing, sales, and finance. Means that is depending upon the different functions which we are having. But if in the one organizations which we are having the different divisions, then we can this type of the structure we call it is as a divisional structure. In the this devotional structures, like our we are having the Tata group we are having, or the Ambani group or Adani group which we are having. They are having the different division. Under that they are having the different divisions as well as these different things. Large companies often find it operate as one large unit under the functional organizational structure. The size of the company make it difficult for manager to observe the operations on screen customers. So which we are having here. To overcome this problem, most large companies are now structured as a divisional organization. So as I give the example, similar this will be there. Each division function relatively autonomously because it contains most of the functional enterprises under the each unit. Okay, so this each units we are having this different functional. In each division we are having the functional organization under that division. Division can be formed according to the product, customer, process, or geographical division. Many companies which we are having with a spread all the pan India, they are having the regional divisions. That one of the western division is there, southern division, eastern division. Like this, we are having this divisions. So this type of the organization structure is also there. If you take the example, Samsung has a multiple product based on the division. Each product division has its own manufacturing, research development, marketing, and finance department. Like that means Samsung Mobile is different, Samsung TV will be there different, so Samsung home appliances will be different. Like that, we are having these different divisions. So this is about the organization structures. Then we will move towards these types of the organizations. There are two types of the organizations: formal organizations and informal organizations. So what exactly these formal and informal organizations? We will see that. Formal organizations refers to a structures which is consequently designed to enable peoples of the organizations to work together in accomplishing the common objective. Yes, formally it is decided that this is the objective. To achieve this particular objective, the group of peoples will be coming together and they are giving this particular task and they are completing this particular things. It is predetermined by a top management to facilitate smooth functioning of the organization. It is already decided, and we can go. They are following according to that. The authority, responsibilities, and relationships created by the organization structure are to be followed by all the employees and the organization. Whatever the things which is decided means responsibilities, authorities, and relations which we have to maintain, which is already decided by the top management. It is created as a result of the company's rules and policy. Okay, so this is the formally which we are this all these things. And if you move towards the informal organizations, informal organizations refer to the relationship between the people in the organization based on personal likes, dislikes, emotions, and attitude. What exactly the difference you can see here? Informal organization refers to the relationship between the people in the organizations based on the personal likes, dislikes, emotion, and attitude. It is exactly opposite to the formal which we discussed. These relationships are not in terms of the procedure or regulations laid down in the formal organization. It is a totally different. Means it's in the organizations which are having the rules and regulations, but the formal organization is different. If we do an informal organization, what we are having based on their likes, dislikes, and attitudes, they are there. This organization is created. These groups are not pre-planned; they develop automatically within the organizations. Means this group is not pre-planned, but based on their likes and dislikes, it is formed. Okay, the members in informal organization is voluntary. It originates as a result of a social interaction. So we can say that this formal and informal, but exactly the difference between this. And in every organizations which we are having the formal organization also and informal also. So this is about this organizing. In next lecture we will discuss the next part.